Hello, let's talk about some of the standout features of the all-new M18 FUEL Plunge Saw. So we have a cutting depth of up to 55 millimeters on the rail. When cutting off the rail, you can cut to a depth of 59 millimeters. It can easily be adjusted here at the front. What the two lines represent is when you're cutting on the rail with the plunge saw. The single line is when cutting off the rail. We have a fine adjusting knob here to give you a more accurate cutting depth. We can also do bevel cuts with this plunge saw, and at 45 degrees we can cut to a depth of 42 millimeters on the rail. When cutting off the rail, you have a depth of 44 millimeters. We can also go further and do 48 degrees cuts, or in the other direction, -1 degrees. There's also a scribe function on the back here, which gives you a more cleaner and accurate cut. We also have a blade lockout feature here, which gives you a more safer way of changing out blades. Now I want to talk about the power of our new M18 FUEL Plunge Saw and how we achieve that power with our fuel technology. We have a 70mm brushless motor built into this tool, as well as combining that with our M18 red lithium battery packs. So today I'm going to do a cut here. Thank you for watching.